Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, if you guys know this, not you guys know Darwin Stone fan? That's my main channel, by the way. It's my main channel. If you don't know that, search it up on YouTube. Anyway, this is my first Minecraft video on my second channel. This is my second video. The heck? This is my second Minecraft video. Oh no, this is my first Minecraft video on the channel. Also, my first video is titled The Playground. Where'd the dog go? Oh, there it is. Anyways, I gotta eat. Anyways, this is my road. I gotta eat first. This is my character, and this is my skin. Anyways, I haven't downloaded one mod by the way. It's only in game. There's a furniture mod in the game in-game store. Anyways, let's go eat. Okay, let's go. Ow. So I don't know if y'all can hear me. I don't know if my voice is too low. What are you looking at? Anyways, this is my house. Oy! Oy! Oy, alis ka dito! Bahay ko to! Nobody will notice. Close all the windows. Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice. Nobody. First, close the windows. You don't want anybody to see. And then... Hello? Lahat na tuloy kayo nandito.
Yung sakit nito, nakala.
I'm sorry, little one. Okay, just mind if you... Okay, just ignore what you saw there. Just ignore what you saw there. Just ignore what you saw. Anyways, this is my house. I did a few stuff. Anyway, this is my stuff barrel. And this is my bed. Actually, anyways, this is my... That's for guests. And this one is my bed. This one is just for guests, I guess. It's just like I downloaded a lot of mods. No, I've only downloaded a mod. Oh wait, I forgot. My doggo. This is my dog Megatron. Yes, his name is Megatron. And do not judge me because I named him Megatron. There. We didn't talk about that. Anyways, this is my first ever Minecraft video. You would know because I said this a lot of times already. 3. 2, 1. Go! Whee! Oh! Apparently, I'm dead. Anyways, let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Oh shoot. Help! There are drowns. Where are the drowns? Any drowns? Oh, there's a drown. Why is there a drown holding a fish? Whee! Okay. Have to get over here. This is the interesting place. Oh. Shoot. Okay, dude, I'm almost dead. Oh, sorry. Guess we could take this obsidian. I'm not gonna complete the portal. No! I died! No, my loot! I gotta get with. My villager certificate is there. My villager certificate. I have to find it. I have to find my loot. Pick you, drowns. Where'd my loot go? Yes, my loot. I need to find my villager certificate. Villager certificate. Yes. I was speak. My obsidian. I don't want this. My stuff. Yes. Villager certificate. Yes. There's my villager certificate. I wonder, do I have my 3 maps? No, I lost my map. At least I got my villager certificate. Help me. Help me. Haha, you can't get me. I got a spear. I got a spear. Oh! At least I didn't die. Meron ba mga villagers pumasok sa bahay ko? Wala? Okay, good. Wala. Good, wala. Anyways, let's put my stuff here so I don't lose them. And my villager certificate. Okay, except my state. I like my state. And this. My stick. Let's open this. I don't really know what to do here. Kadaan, bahay ko to. Kadaan, bestiyan. Semang bestiyan. Wag mong i-try. Wag. Kasi pumunta dito sa bahay ko. Lock up ko nga muna. Lock up. Lagay ko na lang nga muna dito yung lock up ko nga lang muna. Okay, matutulog na tuloy ako. Mas mamamatay yung mga villagers. Okay. When I get mad, I speak Tagalog. Okay, I'm not mad right now. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think they're gonna go inside my house anymore. They're definitely gonna not go in my house anymore. Right? Don't you dare. Good. They're not going in my house. Anyways, I'm gonna go mining. Meow! Did I just Anyways, as I was saying, let's go mining. Let's take this spear with us. Okay, let's go. Wait, can we hold this in our offhand? Nope, we can't. Let's take this spear just in case. Let's go. I don't really know where the caves are. Oh, that's okay, that's all it is. Ah, over here. I think this is a cave. Yep. Why does this Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no, I'm getting out of here. I don't want to go mining anymore. I do not like that. We do not go in that place anymore. I'm wondering if y'all can see my face. I'm gonna go eat. That's gonna be all for today. Anyways, as I was saying, that's gonna be all for today's video. Bye.